Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So this one is a stool I bought from House Stay. Actually the brand or the seller's name is House Stay, and I bought it from amazon.co.uk for £22 and 99 pence. So she's my daughter. Okay, let's see. I think setting the stool is very easy. We don't have any manual in the box. Okay. And this one, as I said, is for 18 inches tall. When it is set, it is ready to be used. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now it is. I think so, like this only. So no manual is there. So the table is, the stool is ready to be used. Okay. Oh, I actually bought it for the bathroom purpose. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.